Hi viewers, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to reprint your KRA PIN certificate. If you're new to my channel, you are welcome and kindly don't forget to subscribe. So first of all, you'll be required to log into your account. So go to the website and search, go to Chrome browser, then search KRA login. Then click the first link. Then enter your password and your KRA PIN. Then fill the security stamp question. This is 67 minus 52 minus 5, you get 62. Then click login. Then there is this part, you'll skip this part. Where be required to enter the verification code. So to skip that part, you just type KRA login. You repeat the same process, then click the first link. Then you'll be ready to go. Then you want now to reprint, go to registration, and then there is this option, reprint PIN certificate. So you click this option, then select the application type. So I'll go to taxpayer, then click submit, then click OK. So you can see this is my PIN certificate. You can download it, and use it where you want to. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.